Ever wondered what catches a woman's eye but seems to fly under the radar for most older men? Well, you're about to find out. Today, we're unveiling those pivotal things 99% of older men overlook, yet women pay keen attention to. So, if you're curious to discover what you might be missing and how it can drastically change your interactions with younger women, stick around. This insight could be the game changer you've been waiting for. 1. Self-care and grooming. This is not just about keeping up appearances. They're an essential part of expressing who you are and how you value yourself. For many women, a man who dedicates time to his grooming and overall well-being signals that he not only cares about making a good impression, but also respects himself and those around him. When it comes to self-care, it's not all about splurging on the most expensive products or treatments. It's about finding a routine that works for you and sticking to it. Whether it's a simple skincare regimen, keeping your hair neatly trimmed, or ensuring your nails are clean and tidy, these small acts of grooming can make a big difference in how you feel and how others perceive you. Moreover, self-care extends beyond just physical grooming. It's also about maintaining your health, which includes staying active, eating well, and getting enough rest. A healthy lifestyle not only improves your physical appearance, but also boosts your confidence and energy levels, making you more attractive in many ways. Remember, taking care of yourself is not a sign of vanity. It's a form of self-respect. And when women see a man who values himself enough to take good care of his body and health, it's a clear indicator of someone who is capable of valuing and caring for others too. So, investing in your grooming and self-care is not just beneficial for you, but can also enhance your relationships and how you are perceived in the social sphere. 2. Confidence and authenticity. These are truly magnetic qualities, especially in older men. It's not just about having a strong presence, it's about being comfortable with who you are, your journey, and where you stand in life. This self-assurance is incredibly attractive because it shows you're not swayed by the trends or the pressure to appear eternally youthful. Instead, you own your experiences, your achievements, and yes, even your challenges. Being genuine means you're not trying to fit a mold or play a role that's not truly yours. It's about embracing your age, your wisdom, and letting these aspects of your identity shine through. Authenticity speaks volumes. It tells the world, and especially the women you're connecting with, that you're grounded, you know what you want, and you're not afraid to express your desires and opinions. This kind of confidence doesn't mean you're without doubts or insecurities. Rather, it means you handle them with grace and maturity. It's not about boasting or being overly assertive, but about maintaining a quiet strength, a serene knowledge of your capabilities, and a comfortable openness in your interactions. The allure of confidence and authenticity isn't in loud declarations, but in the quiet assurance of being fully present in your skin, with your unique blend of experiences, hopes, and dreams. It's about showing the world that you're not just passing through life but living it fully, with both eyes open and a heart ready for genuine connections. This isn't just attractive, it's deeply compelling. 3. Emotional availability and maturity. A man who can articulate his emotions and empathize with others demonstrates a depth of character that's both reassuring and attractive. It's not about grand gestures, but the daily acts of understanding, listening, and being present. This emotional depth enables you to navigate both the highs and lows of relationships with grace. It's about acknowledging vulnerabilities, both yours and your partner's, and viewing them as strengths rather than weaknesses. This kind of emotional engagement is a cornerstone of healthy, lasting relationships, offering a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. Moreover, emotional maturity involves recognizing and managing not just positive emotions, but also handling disagreements and conflicts in a constructive manner. It's about being able to express concerns without blame, listen without interrupting, and seek resolutions that respect both parties' needs and feelings. Emotional availability and maturity reflect a readiness to connect on a deeper level, valuing empathy and emotional intelligence as vital components of a relationship. It's these qualities that foster a nurturing, supportive partnership where both individuals feel valued, understood, and connected. I hope you're finding this video insightful so far. If you are, would you mind showing a little support? A simple like, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button goes a long way. Thank you. 4. Lifestyle and interests. Diverse interests and an active lifestyle don't just add color to life, they make you stand out in the most vibrant way possible. For older men, showing that you're engaged with a wide range of activities and passions suggests a vitality and curiosity about the world that's undeniably attractive. It's not merely about being busy, but about being deeply involved in pursuits that light you up, whether that's art, hiking, cooking, technology, or anything in between. This engagement with life signals to women that you're not just passing the time, you're actively shaping your experience of the world. It speaks to a youthful spirit, not in the sense of trying to reclaim lost youth, but in maintaining an open, adventurous heart, keen to explore and savor life's offerings. This zest for life and diversity of interests suggest a richness of character and an openness to new experiences, which are qualities that can add depth and excitement to any relationship. Moreover, having varied interests makes for fascinating conversations, shared adventures, and the chance to continually learn from each other. It's about showing that age hasn't dulled your sense of wonder or your desire to grow. In fact, it's quite the opposite. It's shown you the value of embracing life fully, with all its opportunities for exploration and discovery. So, keep cultivating your passions and interests. They make you more than just interesting. They make you irresistibly engaging, showing that you're not just living life but truly loving it. 5. Financial stability and responsibility. Being financially responsible means understanding the balance between living for today and planning for tomorrow. It's about setting realistic goals, saving for the future, and avoiding unnecessary debt. This approach shows foresight and a level of discipline that's highly appealing. It suggests that you're someone who's reliable and thoughtful, someone who thinks ahead and prepares for what's coming. Generosity within your means is also a key aspect. It's not about grand gestures or lavish gifts, but about the thoughtfulness behind your actions. Whether it's supporting a cause you're passionate about, treating a loved one to a thoughtful gift, or simply being there in times of need, it's the generosity of spirit that truly counts. This financial acumen and generosity speak volumes about your character. They show that you're not just responsible but also caring and considerate. It's about providing a sense of security and showing that you're a partner who can be counted on, in good times and in bad. Financial stability isn't about the flash, it's about the substance behind it. It's a reflection of your ability to navigate life's financial waters with wisdom and grace, ensuring a stable and secure future for yourself and those you care about. 6. Sense of humor and lightheartedness. A good sense of humor and a lighthearted approach to life are not just charming. They're like a breath of fresh air. It's about seeing the funny side of life, not taking oneself too seriously, and being able to share a laugh even in less than perfect situations. This ability to find joy and humor in the everyday not only makes life more enjoyable for you, but also attracts others to your positive outlook. Laughing at oneself is a sign of confidence and self-awareness. It shows that you're comfortable in your skin and don't feel the need to be perfect all the time. This kind of self-deprecating humor can be incredibly endearing, creating a sense of relatability and warmth that draws people in. Moreover, a lighthearted demeanor suggests resilience and an optimistic perspective. It indicates that you can handle life's ups and downs with grace and not get bogged down by the small stuff. This kind of attitude is infectious, uplifting those around you and making interactions more enjoyable and relaxed. A sense of humor is much more than just being able to crack jokes. It's about a joyful approach to life, the ability to laugh at the twists and turns, and making the journey enjoyable, not just for you, but for those you share it with. It's a quality that brightens days, lightens burdens, and endears you to others, proving that laughter truly can be the best medicine. Bonus tip: digital savviness. Being digitally savvy doesn't mean you need to be a tech wizard or gadget guru. Instead, it's about showing a willingness to engage with new technologies and an openness to learning how they can enhance various aspects of life. For many women, a man who is comfortable navigating the digital landscape is appealing because it suggests he's forward-thinking and open to new experiences. Whether it's staying updated with the latest apps, understanding basic online security, or just being able to troubleshoot a stubborn Wi-Fi router, these skills show that you're not intimidated by the digital age, but rather embrace it. Moreover, digital savviness allows you to stay connected in meaningful ways. It enables you to keep in touch, share experiences, and even explore new interests together online. From planning a trip using the latest travel apps to sharing a playlist of your favorite songs, these digital interactions can add a layer of connection and intimacy to relationships. So, consider this bonus tip a nudge to explore and integrate more digital know-how into your life. It's about enhancing your ability to communicate, connect, and stay relevant in a world where technology is continually evolving. And remember, it's the curiosity and willingness to learn that count, making digital savviness not just appealing but an essential aspect of modern-day attractiveness. Now that you know those subtle things younger women are paying attention to, what's next for you? Discover the things younger women do when they're hitting on you, or learn how to tell if she's thinking about you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.